Welcome to Casey Builds It. Today we're going to be building a tool that will allow you to create timestamps and chapters for your YouTube videos. Now, you will see this tool is called the Assembly Step Splitter. This is because AI wanted to give it some creative name that fit with our theme, like yard work type long builds and assemblies. So this tool right here will allow you to take a transcript, create timestamps and chapters, and then you can copy and paste those and put them right into your YouTube description and be done. Because let's face it, if you were out building a deck and you created a video, you probably spent hours and hours on this. And the first thing you want to do when you get done is go sit on the couch. You do not want to spend another 20 minutes creating timestamps for your video, even though you know your subscribers will definitely appreciate it. But this is why we got this tool right here. And it was super easy to build. And I'm just going to run through that process real quick in case you want to build a tool that can do this for you. So for all of my tools, I use Cursor. Now you can use a different AI tool if you would like, but I'd be very, very helpful and easy to use. So once we're in Cursor, we would click the file and we open up a new window. From there, I'm just going to open up that chat box. And then we're going to put in the prompt that you want in order to build the tool that you want. For our purposes, since I don't want to bore you guys, we're just going to paste that prompt right here, and then you would hit enter. And after a few minutes or so, hopefully that tool will be built and it would be saved in the folder that you told to be saved in. Now, don't worry, you don't have to build this tool if you don't want to, because you can download it for free. But first, let's just go back and I'm going to show you an example of the tool. So right here, the first thing you need to do is get an API key for YouTube. So you'd go to your Google Cloud Console, set up an YouTube data v3 API key, and it's totally free. Once you get that key, you can go ahead and save it. We're going to put that right in here, hit save key. And another cool feature is any tools that you use from Casey Builds It should save, and you should be able to use that API key for any tool that has this styling to it. So you want to keep entering it in over. At least that's the hope. But if you have any issues, you can always hit YouTube setup help right here, and it will go through a list of how to set that API key up. Now, we're going to take your video from YouTube, and we're going to hit fetch captions. And right here, it has all the timestamps from your video and what it thinks should be some captions. I have two different options here. If you want, you can get a Gemini API key. Now, there's a fee to this, but you can run some AI with them, try to make any improvements to these if you would like. So right now I have it set up using like the cheapest AI Gemini version that is. So this may cost you like half a penny, but we can then hit split into steps and it will create the chapters right here. If you want to kind of polish those off with Gemini, we can hit split right here and it will give you some different. If you're good with these, great. If not, make a couple changes, hit copy chapters, put those in to your description, and you're done. You just save 20 minutes. Your subscribers love you now because they can follow along to the exact steps that they want, and you look like a hero. Now, to download this tool, we're going to go to Casey Builds It, and you can either go to the file section or free downloads. On free downloads, you will find all the downloads that you can download for free. In the file section, these are kind of like blog posts that will have some information about the tool. You can watch the YouTube video, you can download the tool, and you will also find the prompt. So if you're looking for the prompt just go to the files, and then there will be additional button here, and you can download that prompt if you want to try to build this. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And you can always go to caseybuildsit.com to find any additional instructions or to download the tools all for free. And until next time, go out, get Cursor, or use any other AI tool, download the prompt, but start building some tools that will make your life